So for today's video, guys, let's wake up. Inday, Inday, wake up. Let's study. Wake up time.
I wake up.
Mo. Ana, Inday, let's study. It's study time. So, okay. Let's start. Okay. Inday, let's study with mommy, no? Mommy teachers and with Inday. Okay.
Mama,
Hmm.
grabe ka ng yellow nga bulpin, oy.
Ano naman? Ano sa
Kung naroon na eh.
Ha?
Kaya, saan nara nga bulpin?
Ano sa mana? Okay. So,
Action.
So, for today's video, guys, our lesson for today is about fraction and addition and ano siya? This is minus, ano sa minus. Basta, watch and learn. This is our lection for today for English about fraction. This is about this fraction. So, kani so, ang imong buhaton ani Inday is what?
Action.
Chikan lang ang answer. Og asa imong napili na answer is let's check. Oh. This is fraction. So the answer Inday ha? Which one you choose? Your answer is you both check. Okay, check. This is fraction. Here. Fraction. So the answer is over here. Sa equal ang answer. Sa akong gitang equal. The answer is over here. The answer is here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Answer is here. 1. Yes. Answer is here. The last one is this is a fraction. So fraction and addition. There is addition and addition. This is the this addition. Okay. Ako saan ba na tubilan? Let's refill. I refill first this one because it was already to refill. This ink almost finished.
Hey guys. Ma.
Okay. Okay. Let's start. Start na. Okay. Answer. You listen to me first, okay? Yan, nasa ni. Kaya basi matulo. This one, you choose what is your correct answer and then you put check. So go. This is a fraction. This is a minus na siya, no? Ambot siya na sa, asa na? Then, addition. Sige, go! Sige. Answer. Tabi pagtabi! Isulti!
To.
This one is fractions. Okay? 1/2. Oh, one half. 1/2.
1/2.
Oh. Where is the 1/2? You check a
This
1/2.
one.
Oh. Very good. Oh, what is the correct answer?